India ki citizen amana magi lai khurumam da chatpa yadi sibu karai da yadoino. This is not a Kuki and Meitei problem that Meiteis cannot go to Thangsing or Kaugru is not an issue of community problem. This should be taken up fundamentally as a constitutional issue, right of the citizens. It is the issue of governance. Adu the implicate over community any relation to that is adu gi moina adu enforce to them never. Kanamba mamna migi movement the national highway I say is a national property. Sida is the kanana now on the blackmail to things and doing everything is turned into a Kuki Meitei issue. This is an issue of governance. This is the issue of political question and decision. If you do not have it, I could do never deflect of budong tawevo. And a precedent rule. I think intention of our governor is, I think he is a very experienced administrator, so I am hoping that he would do more. Free movement, I think it should be enforced with the political will. I think the return of the IDPs in the free movement is all depends on the political will of the government of India. The proxy government. Don't push it under the carpet. I will not allow it to be pushed under the carpet. Problems in normal IDP problem remind second, IDP singsin mayum the hek hanjandri bauba aikogi Manipur issues Santa inare loisala haiba sunga yaro ai haiba never.